Hi, it's Alicia. So as you know, I'm in New York right now, and yesterday I went to Times Square and I passed by the Line store, and I have a little haul for you guys. So before showing what I got, I'm just going to be giving a little tour of the store. Here we go. Back. So I'm going to show you what I got now. So my first item is, so this is the first item. It is a little bear pillow, and I believe the bear's name is Choco, which is also part of the Line Friends collection, and he's really soft, very cute. And I got this one because of the bow pattern. Since gingham is one of my favorite fabrics, I had to choose this one. And also, this one was 50% off, so this one was actually only $12. My next item is this shirt. Okay, so I'm going to try it on. So here's the shirt on. There is 3/4 sleeve. It is striped with navy blue stripes and has this cute little design on the front. And I find it really cute. I like it a lot. Okay, so my next items are going to be stationery items. So I'll be starting school back in the end of August. So my first one is this cocoa pink line, how do you call this, portfolio thing? So I usually use these type of things for each subject that I have. The ones I had previously were getting broken, so got a new one. And my last item is this cute little notebook. And the inside is lined like this. So I'll probably be taking notes in this little one. I'm not sure for which subject yet. We'll see. And yeah, he's also very cute. And also on the first page of the cover, he's also there. And oh, he's also on the top corner here of each page, which is very cute. Alright, so that's all for my Line Friends haul. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!